Okay, there's a couple of questions here on placing a number, a square root, on a number line. Now, it asks us about the square root of 20. Try and think about square numbers that are just above and below that. So, for example, 16 is a square number, and the square root of 16 is 4. Then the next one up is the square root of 25, which is 5, because 5 times 5 makes 25. So, 4 here is the square root of 16. 5 here is the square root of 25. And then somewhere between those two is the square root of 20. The square root of 20 must be between the square root of 16 and the square root of 25. So you get the mark just for a little arrow between the correct two numbers and label it with what it's supposed to be, square root of 20 in this case. The next one's similar, square root of 23. Well, again, the square root of 23 must be between 4 and 5, because it must be between the square root of 16 and the square root of 25. So again, you get the mark just for a little arrow between the right two numbers, 4 and 5, and then label it with what it's supposed to be, the square root of 23.